Musk has said that humanity must become a multi-planetary species and establish colonies on Mars in order to safeguard the survival of civilization. He believes that settling Mars could allow us to establish an independent base for humanity in case of catastrophe on Earth. Musk's vision of space exploration and space colonization is a key part of his futuristic thinking about advancing humanity. Musk holds radical views about establishing life on Mars and making humanity a multi-planetary species. While space exploration is an important goal, the scientific and technical challenges of colonizing Mars are enormous. Many experts are skeptical about Musk's ambitious timelines and visions. However, his passion for space travel and Mars settlement has inspired interest in advancing space technology and fueled excitement around the possibility of space colonization. In addition to Tesla and SpaceX, Musk has founded or invested in other companies like SolarCity, Neuralink, and OpenAI. His diverse ventures reflect the range of his interests in sustainable energy, space travel, artificial intelligence, high-speed transit, and other areas. While not all of his many ideas and projects may succeed, Musk tackles an extraordinary array of ambitious goals. His vision is of a future with abundant and far-reaching technologies that could solve major problems. Furthermore, to his companies, Musk has proposed futuristic ideas like hyperloop tunnels, space-based solar energy, and high-speed transit through underground tunnels. Not all of his visions come to fruition. The hyperloop is still in early development stages. However, his ambitious concepts draw attention to new technological frontiers that could address major problems. Musk thinks in extraordinarily far-reaching terms about innovation and the future, even if not every idea is realistic. Tesla is the world's largest producer of electric vehicles and battery products. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's electric cars include models S, X, and 3. One of the star product is Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is Tesla's first electric pickup truck. The Cybertruck has a futuristic, angular design that is very different from traditional pickup trucks. It will be available in 3 variants with different ranges and performance specs. The top-end tri-motor version will have over 500 miles of range and can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.9 seconds. The Cybertruck reflects Musk's vision of a radically advanced future with sustainable energy and cutting-edge technologies. Its stainless steel exterior and high-performance specs demonstrate what Musk believes is possible with innovation. Tesla aims to eventually offer autonomous driving features for the Cybertruck. The truck's bulletproof stainless steel exterior and massive size could make it an impressive self-driving vehicle, showcasing the potential of autonomous electric trucks. The Cybertruck has a lockable vault-like storage area and adjustable air suspension that varies ride height. Musk said it will have best-in-class utility and performance. These features aim to combine the capabilities of a truck with advanced technology and specs. If they work as promised, they could appeal to customers and showcase innovation. The Cybertruck's futuristic design and high performance reflect Musk's vision of a future with advanced sustainable energy and technology. It also seems a futuristic car for driving in Mars. SpaceX is a private aerospace manufacturing and space transportation services company. It was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. SpaceX has developed several launch vehicles, including the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, and the Dragon spacecraft. SpaceX has successfully delivered supplies to the International Space Station for NASA, and has also returned Falcon 9 boosters safely back to Earth for reuse. SpaceX's ultimate vision is to enable people to live on other planets. The company is continuing to develop its Starship system, a fully reusable launch system designed to eventually carry both people and 100 tons of cargo on long flights, including to the Moon and Mars. SpaceX has made spaceflight more affordable and accessible, but Musk's ambitious Mars settlement goals face massive technical, cost, and scientific challenges. The feasibility and timeline of establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars are uncertain and disputed by experts in the space industry. However, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space technology and advancement towards Musk's futuristic vision. The company has successfully delivered supplies to the International Space Station for NASA and has safely returned Falcon 9 boosters back to Earth for reuse. Elon Musk's ultimate vision is to enable people to live on other planets, especially Mars. However, the feasibility and timeline of establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars are subject to debate. While Musk has said the first humans could land on Mars in the 2030s, many space industry experts are skeptical about this timeline and the technical capabilities required. The challenges of transporting large numbers of people and amounts of cargo to Mars, living there long-term, and terraforming the planet are enormous. SpaceX has significantly lowered the costs of reaching space and delivered results for NASA and private customers. The company has inspired interest in space travel and Mars colonization. However, SpaceX also relies heavily on government funding and contracts. There is debate around the appropriate role of government support for private space companies and how to balance investment in space with other priorities. SpaceX's reliance on taxpayer money and the feasibility of its Mars settlement goals are open to criticism. SpaceX and Elon Musk draw a mix of admiration and skepticism. SpaceX has achieved a lot and accelerated innovation in space technology. However, Mars colonization is unlikely in the near future, and it is debated whether this should be a priority given limited resources and challenges on Earth. Musk is an iconic figure who inspires devotion in supporters but also criticism of his statements and goals as unrealistic or even reckless. Reactions to SpaceX and Musk tend to be intense and polarized. Their ultimate impact will depend on the success of their futuristic visions and how factors like government policy and public opinion shape the future of space travel and settlement. In addition to its launch system and spacecraft, SpaceX is developing satellite technology, including a satellite internet constellation called Starlink. Starlink aims to provide high-speed, low-latency internet around the world. Hundreds of Starlink satellites have been launched, but the constellation still needs many more satellites to achieve significant coverage. While satellite internet could provide connectivity to underserved communities, Starlink also faces technical, competition, and regulatory challenges. Its profitability and impact on issues like space debris are unclear. However, it holds radical visions of enabling space colonization and access to space. SolarCity was a solar energy services company that was acquired by Tesla in 2016. It was founded in 2006 by Elon Musk's cousin Lyndon Rive and Peter Rive. SolarCity designed and installed photovoltaic panels for residential and commercial customers. It aimed to make solar energy more affordable and accessible by offering options to lease or buy solar panel systems. At the time of acquisition, SolarCity was the largest provider of solar power systems in the U.S. The acquisition of SolarCity was controversial and criticized by some Tesla shareholders. However, Musk argued it would create a vertically integrated, sustainable energy company that could provide customers with electric vehicles, home battery storage, and solar panels. The new Tesla Energy division has seen success, but the SolarCity deal also added to Tesla's debt. Its ultimate impact is still unfolding, with both potentially positive and negative consequences for Tesla's business and finances. However, it may be another part of the space colonization project. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company aims to develop ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect the human brain to artificial intelligence. Neuralink is developing ultra-thin threads with electrodes that could be implanted in the brain with less harm than current technologies. The goal is to enable connections between the human brain and artificial intelligence. Potential applications include treating neurological conditions and connecting humans and AI. Elon Musk believes that connecting humans and AI is necessary to ensure advanced AI systems are beneficial. He argues that we will not be able to keep up with AI's rapid progress without this connection. It can be imagined that a Neuralink human or AI could remote control a robot in far away of space travel and settlement. OpenAI is a non-profit AI research lab founded in 2015 by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. The goal of OpenAI is to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits humanity as a whole. OpenAI conducts research on artificial general intelligence and AI safety. The lab has developed AI systems that can learn to accomplish complex tasks from human feedback, including systems that can generate synthetic text, translate between languages, and play games. However, artificial general intelligence that matches the human mind is still quite distant. While OpenAI's research aims to help maximize the benefits of AI, there is also concern about overhyping or overpromising on the capabilities and timelines around advanced AI. OpenAI and Musk's views on superintelligent AI also reflect a range of opinions in the field. The impact of OpenAI's work is unfolding as AI continues to progress, with promising opportunities that is difficult to predict, especially for combine with robot in future. Tesla also has plans to develop a humanoid robot prototype. Elon Musk has said the Tesla robot could begin limited production in 3 to 5 years, with the goal of eliminating dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks currently performed by humans. However, the timeline for a sophisticated Tesla robot is uncertain and potentially optimistic. Developing humanoid robots that can safely and effectively perform in the real world is challenging. While Tesla's work on electric vehicles and automation could provide some useful experience, roboticists have struggled with many of the capabilities Tesla envisions for its robot. The Tesla robot reflects Musk's futuristic vision and optimism around advanced technologies. If achieved, a practical Tesla humanoid robot could showcase innovation and potentially improve safety and productivity. A Neuralink human or AI humanoid robot will be a great chance of success for the space colonization and access to space. Elon Musk proposed the Hyperloop concept in 2013. The idea is that travel pods would move through vacuum tubes at up to 700 mph, allowing for fast travel between cities with lower energy use. Musk argues the Hyperloop could provide affordable, fast, and green transport. Building hundreds of miles of vacuum tubes and ensuring safety, comfort, and affordability would be very difficult. While companies like Virgin Hyperloop One are working on Hyperloop systems, fully commercial and practical Hyperloops do not currently exist. The technology remains to be demonstrated and implemented at scale. If achieved, the Hyperloop could showcase an innovative form of transportation and provide a new transit option with significant benefits. But there are also risks of cost overruns, delays, and infeasibility. The Hyperloop's future would depend on what is viable to implement from the concept and economic and social factors. If achieved, it could provide an innovative form of transportation, but there are also risks of delays, costs, and infeasibility. The Hyperloop reflects Musk's vision of futuristic technologies, but its future would depend on what proves practical to implement from the concept. To think we lived in Mars, the Hyperloop would ensure a highly safety and reliable transport. If you try to link up with Elon Musk's companies and projects, it seems that he is developing a big picture: humanity must become a multi-planetary species and establish colonies on Mars. Elon Musk holds radical visions of enabling space colonization and access to space. Musk's ultimate vision is to help humanity become a multi-planetary species. He believes establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars would safeguard the survival of humanity in the event of a catastrophe on Earth.